gonna have nuts in it. Where is Francis? Where's Francis? Fuck Francis! Where is Francis? Tell me where your fucking boss is, or you're gonna die in 5 minutes! Back!
You seek to learn from the master. Today, you become a man. A Spider-Man.
See ya, peeps! Origin story time! Yeah!
Ever since I can remember, I've always been a fighter.
How am I in your origin story?
Don't question greatness. It was like genetic engineering or whatever. I didn't pay attention in social studies. I was a normal baby for 30 seconds. Then ninjas stole my mama.
I've had enough of you.
Shh. Hush, little hero. Luxuriate in the beat of your heart. The feeling you might puke if someone offered you fish sticks.
It's funnier when it happens to someone else.
Booby traps. You said traps.
Stop doing that! You can't attack me with puns!
Puns and bullets and pointy things, yes I can! I'm running the show now, and this is just the tip of the spear!
I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture science. We do what we must because we can. For the good of all of us, except the ones who are dead. But there's no sense crying over every mistake. You just keep on trying till you run out of cake. And the science gets done and you make a neat gun for the people who are still alive. I'm not even angry. I'm being so sincere right now. Even though you broke my heart and killed me and tore me to pieces and threw every piece into a fire. As they burned, it hurt because I was so happy for you. Now these points of data make a beautiful line, and we're out of data, we're releasing on time. So I'm glad I got burned. Think of all the things we learned for the people who are still alive. Go ahead and leave me. I think I prefer to stay inside. Maybe you'll find someone else to help you. Maybe Black Mesa. That was a joke.